Hi. How you doing? Hi. Hello. So you see me with the same t-shirt as last video is because I'm recording it on the same day. It's the 11th of August. My birthday was yesterday. I did a whole video about it, so if you didn't watch it, please do to support me. Thank you. Today, I just need to do a few things because I'm going to Mozambique. I'm going home to Maputo. It's been a long time, so I think I'm gonna record all that. I'm gonna record myself just packing, and right now I'm gonna start packing, and then I'll just clean the house so we can just leave it here, everything organized. My room is kind of clean, but it's just there's clothes around, so yeah, I'll be starting with my clothes right now. Later on I'll just clean everything, and tomorrow I'm gonna get my first dosage of the vaccine. Yes, but it's not gonna be here in Porto. It will be in Aveiro, so I have to travel there tomorrow morning. And the thing is, something messed up, and I don't know what time is my vaccine. So we have to go there very early. We're going there at 8, and it's 1 hour drive. Get there at 9, and it opens at 9, so we'll just be like there right on time. And I hope everything turns out as planned, and yeah, we're gonna spend the day there if we feel all right, I guess. And yeah, I'll be going there today and just cleaning my clothes. I'm kind of procrastinating, but at the same time I'm not, because this is actually kind of like something I want to do, so it's not procrastinating. But I had a huge panic attack this morning, like at 5 a.m. or something, because I was awake. And I was just so worried about me not being able to do everything on time, because I have to pack, and I still haven't started. I have to pack and all, so I just need to do everything right now. And I haven't started yet, so I need to do it right now. But I just wanted to film this little intro so I can film everything, the whole process of me just traveling. It will be like vlog kinda, because I'm gonna travel on Friday. Today's Wednesday, to Lisbon I mean, and to Maputo I'm gonna go on the 17th. So kind of like I think it's Tuesday or Wednesday, somewhere there next week. Yeah, let me start. I don't have a plan, but I'm thinking about starting with jeans first, because it would makes more sense and would probably be occupying more space in here. So let me see. These ones, you probably have seen it 1,000 times on Instagram. Of course I'll take them because they're my babies and I would never leave them here. So let me just put them in here. I think I'll roll them because that's what I did when I came here, and a lot of things went in, so I guess we'll be fine. I hope I have enough space for everything. Probably will, and I don't need to take a lot of things, so it'll be fine. I just need to be smart with what I take and see if I can do a lot of outfits with them, with everything. So I took just normal jeans with no rips and all, because that's a basic and you need it. I'll also be taking these black flare jeans because they're also my babies and I always wear them. They're a staple in my outfits right now, so I can't leave them for the world. What else? Shorts. Well, I only currently have one pair of shorts. Well, I have others, but they don't fit me well. So I have these from Zara. Also, I'm gonna take them. And of course, my workout set. I'll be taking the leggings and the top, of course, the sports bra. I also bought this new set today. It's like loungewear, but going out at the same time. As soon as I started, I was like, please take my money. Because they look bomb, to be honest. They look bomb on me. And I just couldn't resist. I've been kind of addicted to spending money on clothes these days. And that's not good. I know it's not good, but don't worry, I'm saving up a few. Well, I am. But I need to stop. I need to stop, really. Because it's kind of becoming an addiction. It's becoming an addiction. I bought this for my dad. I think it's cute. I think he like it. It's from Zara. So let's see. He probably will. Also, I have a few things for my sister. Let me just put them now because why not? I have this for my sister. It's just like an asymmetrical top. Gotta put that in there. For my mom, I have sneakers. You probably don't want to see me pack for 10 minutes straight, so I'm just gonna finish this. And then I'll just come back when I have all the clothes packed at least. But my game plan is loungewear that's to go out, jeans a few, mostly summer pieces because in Mozambique the temperature is high. And yeah, and then I'll come back when the clothes are all done and I'll be packing the cosmetics and all that with you. So I'm just gonna show you my products that I'm gonna take. This is my normal skincare routine: retinol, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, AHA BHA solution, moisturizing lotion, vitamin C, although I don't use it often. And today I just bought a few things. Bought this cleanser. I used this one, but they didn't have it there, and I thought I had less than this, but I think it will be enough for the time I'm there, so I'm just gonna take this one and then I'll use this one when I'm back. And I bought a new moisturizing lotion. This one is bigger than this one. And it's like comparison because I can already tell that this will be enough. I don't know if you all can see, but this is just like almost done. Now I'm gonna take a quick shower. I need to exfoliate my skin with the peeling solution, and then when I'm back I'll just continue doing the things I have to do. I'll finish my clothes and I'll have to clean my room today and the house. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do today or tomorrow. It will depend on what time I'm back from the vaccine because I'm not going to do it here in Porto, so it will depend. And also we're scared that we're gonna have side effects and we won't be able to do anything, so we wanted to just start today, so tomorrow it's just minimal things and we don't have much to do and just basic things. So that's all for now. Hello, good morning. So today is the day that I'm gonna take the vaccine. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to IN AVEIRO right now. I'm kind of late, so I'm not gonna be talking much besides right now, so I'll see you there. Nothing to see here, nothing, but it's kind of calm. Second, because I just got vaccinated for the first time. That's my first dose of the vaccine. I got vaccinated, so just want to check in. My phone is running out of battery, so I'm not gonna be filming a lot of things, but right now I'm here in this beautiful place. It's called the Umbrella Sky Project and something like that. It looks cool. so I just got back to my reality, which is packing. I didn't finish yesterday, so I'm just gonna continue right now and take the few things that I haven't decided yet, and maybe I'm gonna take a few things out of my suitcase because I don't know if I'm gonna take them and if they're needed or anything. So I'm just gonna try to see everything and double check everything. So let's continue. I think I'll just come back when I'm done because I'm very busy, so I need to just do everything. So a little about my trip is that I didn't film it a lot because I didn't have enough battery on my phone, and I was just scared that it was just switch off out of nowhere, and we really needed the phone. My phone was the only one that had enough. I really needed the phone because there you work a lot with Uber and Free Now and just stuff like that, so we really needed one of our phones to work because of that. And it was such a weird place. It was weird, but it was nice at the same time. It was nice at the last part when there was like the umbrella part and the umbrella sky project and all that. That was cool, but the rest was just kind of weird, and it was just like, where am I? And I'm literally in the middle of nowhere, and it was just so weird because of that. And you had to take the train everywhere. It's like they don't have a bus, they just use the train. I was like, what? Yeah, it was kind of a lot more expensive than I thought, which is weird because of the Uber. It's actually because of the Uber, because I feel like everyone there has a car, and you don't see people walking out often because they don't need it because everyone just has a car and all that. But besides that, it was all good. Besides that, it was all good. So I guess it's a good thing or something like that. But yeah, we got the vaccine already, the first dose. So yeah, it will be fine. Hey, so future Barber here, coming to say that I did not make an outro for this video, so I'm doing it right now. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please like the video and subscribe, and comment down below like what exactly do you want to see more from me, or what parts did you like the most. And I thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. So yeah, that's all. Bye, and thank you for watching.